Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Carlos Solis. I am your All Makes brand manager, and I am pleased to welcome you to the very first episode of the Alltrux Answer Depot, where we will be answering frequently asked questions about your line, Alltrux. In this episode, we are going to talk about the Alltrux brake chamber line, specifically coverage. Now, it's been brought to my attention that the description of our Alltrux BTS style brake chambers have been causing a little bit of confusion when it comes to coverage. Well, I'm here to set things straight. Here we go. The Alltrux BTS style brake chambers, they come with a 4-year factory warranty. I don't know if you knew that. Well, now you do. The very first year is actually covered by our Alltrux Promise. That means a 1-year hassle-free experience to our customers. But as soon as that 1 year expires, they still have an additional 3 years of a factory warranty. Hopefully that cleared up the confusion and answered your question. Be on the lookout for more episodes of the Alltrux Answer Depot. Thank you very much.